Hey guys, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'm going to be making a Kiridashi. And if you don't know, a Kiridashi is a type of knife, and I've seen quite a few people make them, or actually I haven't seen them make them, but I've seen pictures and videos of other people and their Kiridashis, and so I was like, I might as well give it a try. I think Allan from Curiosity Forge has made quite a few. I know Josh's Overall Smithy has made a couple. He's made some kind of update videos, but I want to try making one out of rebar. As you can see, it's just some, I think it's construction rebar. I don't know if it's hardenable or not. I don't think I'm going to harden it because I'm trash at that, but I'm going to try and make a Kiridashi, and we'll see if I can do a leather wrap or a paracord wrap on it. Let's get smithing. Alright, so now I've got the end hot. I just kind of want to flatten it out. Back in the fire. Now it's back and hot. I'll keep flattening it. That's back and hot. We'll just try and bend it. Okay, get hot again. Alright, now it kind of looks like a hockey puck. Not sure how well you can see that. Actually, you can see it pretty well. I'm going to kind of flatten the back end of this out just ever so slightly. I'm going to cut it off, and we should have a Kiridashi. Actually, I take that back. I really like this rebar look, so I'm just going to heat it up until I get some scale on it, because I like the look of that. Then I'm going to cut it off back here, and then I'm going to wrap it and sharpen it. Just knocking some of that rust off. Back into the fire. Alright, it's hot again. Not sure why it's not snapping off. I think it's, yeah, my chisel's really bent. Alright, back into the fire. Now it's almost done. Just grab a pair of pliers or a pair of tongs and just kind of go back and forth until it comes off. Just like this, so it's separate. So now it looks like a mini hockey puck or hockey stick. I'm actually going to flatten it out just ever so slightly, just so the wrapping stays on, it doesn't like slip. Alright, as you can see, it's definitely still really hot, but it's flatter. I'm actually going to straighten this out on the anvil quick. Back to kind of flat. Yep, definitely looking flatter. And so then I've actually knocked off these ridges. I knocked off these ridges here. I'm gonna let this cool down until it's about black, and then I'm gonna coat the handle in Johnson's paste wax, and I'll let you guys watch that quick. But then I'll bring it into the shop and I'll shine up this blade right here. And once that blade's shiny, then I'm gonna sharpen it, and then I'm gonna do a paracord wrap around it. Alright, so now that it's, you know, kind of a dull black heat, just kind of dip it in Johnson's paste wax to get that nice coating on it. Alright guys, so I'm done with the Kiridashi, as you can see. I did a paracord wrap on it. Don't know what it's called. I just kind of came up with it as I was tinkering around one night. I just kind of lit the ends so they would cap over and they would seal it. The flatness of the Kiridashi helps control with this flat edge on my fingers. And then I put a ridge of paracord through the side here, as you can kind of see. And so my fingers will just kind of get it in the groove, and it lays flat against my hand, and I can use my thumb to get a deeper cut. Most Kiridashis usually aren't this pronounced. They're probably more, like, way less pronounced. But I figured if I was going to make one, I kind of wanted one to be way pronounced so I could do it for carving leather. If you guys like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe. When I hit 100 subscribers, I'll do the 100 subscriber giveaway. I've decided I'm going to do a twisted railroad spike bottle opener. I'll make a video on that and release it when I hit 100 subscribers. And you know, once I hit 100 subscribers, I'll do the giveaway. I'll send it out to one of you lucky winners. Again, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.